Today I want to talk about a manifestation technique which is very efficient and very simple. It was described by Dr. Wayne Dyer and he learned it in India. So this manifestation technique has two parts. First part you will do in the morning and the second part you will do in the evening. And the basis is to make special sounds. So the first is the sound of creation and the second is the sound of gratitude. Before you start your manifestation, you of course have to know what you want to manifest. So first you need some focus. Focus on your wish. And by focusing on your wish, I mean to make a film in your mind. It can be a picture or a film. So there are two types of films. So you can see yourself in some situation that you want to manifest, or you are in this situation. And this second one is much more powerful. So try to see and feel yourself as if this situation already exists. I don't know, this could be perfect health. This could be something that you want to manifest, like a car or a new job or whatever it is. Let's say you want to manifest a new apartment. In that case, you will be in your perfect apartment. You will sit on your sofa, let's say. You will feel its texture. You will smell the smell of new furniture. You will hear maybe the sound as you sit down or any other sounds that there could be, maybe the birds singing outside. Whatever it is, try to include all of the five senses in your picture. And the next thing that you do, you will think about your picture, your film, or your wish as you wish, every morning for at least 10 minutes. You can do it 15 minutes if you have time, but really commit to do this every day for 10 minutes at least for the next 25 days. So let's say that I think of my wish in the morning. I am now in my perfect apartment because this is my example. So I'm in my perfect apartment. I breathe in my wish, think about it, and then when I breathe out, I make the sound of creation. Ah. So this ah sound is the sound of creation. And with that, you are ordering the universe to make your wish happen. It's like being in a restaurant and telling the waiter what you want to have. So this sound will really make things happen for you. So this is only the first part of your manifestation. The second part is or happens in the evening. Again, you will take 10 minutes to 15 minutes every day. But now you will think about everything that is in your life and you are grateful for. So everything that is good in your life. This could be that you're healthy, the fact that you have somebody to love, your family or whoever you have, maybe a pet. I'm sure that there are things that you are grateful for. So just focus on those things and make the sound as you exhale. This is the sound of gratitude. Also, after you have been thinking of the things that already exist in your life, add your wish as if it's already happened. So I will think about things that there are, and then I also think about my perfect apartment and the fact that I am in that apartment now. And um, so the most difficult thing with this manifestation and with every manifestation there is that you have to be consistent. You have to do the work every day. I'm not saying it's hard work, but it's work. And many people fail with that. So they maybe do it for 1 day, 2 days, and they think it's enough. And then they are surprised that nothing happens. Really make a commitment and do this every day. No matter what others say, no matter what you think, just do it. And I'm sure that you will get the results. Please comment or write in comments what are your experience. If you've done it for 25 days, what is your result? I will be very happy if you share it with me. Thank you. For more videos like this, please subscribe.